comes out of my belly.
Hidden in front of the library.
Got me checked out.
Okay, you guys, so here's a review. I have never used one of these things before. I bought it thinking it's going to be quick, it's going to be easy, it's going to be helpful for when I'm very busy and don't really have time to cook. So, and today's been one of those days, so we're having a late lunch because I've been cleaning, taking care of Bentley, doing laundry, and just homework for my classes and stuff like that. So, it was easy to open because it has this thing on top here that says peel here, and you just tear it up. So it was easy for that. You stick it in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes, and Bentley just woke up. And I bought this because it looks good and it smells good. My only issue is I would suggest cooking it halfway. So if you're going to cook it for 4 minutes, cook it for 2 minutes, take it out, shake it really good, and then cook it for the rest of the 2 minutes. Why? Well, I want to clean this up, dump it and pour it and stuff, and it's not cooked all the way. It's still hard here. As you can tell, it looks a little burnt or not even cooked, and it's sticking together, whereas everything else is fine. So I have to throw this away, and I'm not really happy about that, you guys. But it just broke apart. But oh well, you know, at least we got something to eat. So I'm gonna wrap this up real quick so I can go attend to Bentley and let me and Dominic eat as well at the same time. But I do recommend trying this. So bird's eye, please add on there on your instructions to cook halfway, shake it, and then cook it the rest of the way. In hopes that it works. Oh, and I'm gonna have to get more of those. Those are, yeah. So I'm gonna try a bite. So let me turn my phone around, you guys. I look like crap because I haven't done anything with this. Alright, so this is the whole grain pasta and corn with butter sauce. So let's give this a go. Get some corn, get some pasta. You can't really taste the butter. It's kind of bland. There's like very little taste, flavor to it. So I would add some seasoning to it. But this is, again, the whole grain pasta and corn with butter, with a butter sauce. If I had to give it a 1 out of 5 star rating, or 1 to 5 star rating, I would give it a 4. For the simple fact that the noodles were sticking together and it's not really much flavor. So, on that, it's okay. So, I would suggest for bird's eye to fix that one.